Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm here, guys, to give you a quick update and to talk about some capture pages for the holidays, okay? As you can see right now, I'm on the Conversion Pros page. I'm actually in my back office, and right here it says Become an iOS Beta App Tester. So they are actually in the mode. They have the Android app already up and running. Now they are going to beta test and get the iOS app running, okay? Which means we're going to have an app for the iPhone or iOS devices. We already have an app with the Conversion Pros for the Android devices, okay? So if you're in the Conversion Pros, and I've already submitted my information so that I can be a tester because I have the iPhone, you want to go ahead and submit your request to be a beta tester so that you can be a part of the process of this app being created. Okay? Alright, now with that being said, the Conversion Pros is a marketing system I've been using for a couple years now. For all my marketing. I mean, the capture pages that you've seen me create, that's different than anything else. They're from here, or I've created them from the Conversion Pros. This total marketing system, doesn't matter what business you're in, you can use the Conversion Pros to help you promote your business, whatever it is. They have autoresponders built in. They feature where you can text your leads once they opt into your page. You're going to be able to text them, and here's all the features, okay, right here to my left. Contact Manager, Mobile Site Builder, you know, everything you need to run a business. This marketing system will help you and assist you. Not to mention, we have a Facebook group that's very active where the owner, one of the owners, is very active in there, and you can always ask your questions, and people in the group are always sharing information. It's a very live group. Okay, that's what I love about the Conversion Pros. They're always giving back, giving you more and more value without even charging you more. Okay, this program is $50 a month. You can make a residual income of $25 off of everybody you refer. So they're basically splitting the commission with you. Okay, it's $50. You make $25, and the company makes $25. They pay out every Friday. And of course, as long as someone keeps their membership, every time they pay $50, you make $25. Okay, just that simple. Really easy comp plan. But this is a tool you're going to need anyway. That's the good thing about it. That's why I never cancel, because I need this tool anyway. And as you can see here, all the niches, okay, these are pre-built pages. Okay, pre-built pages that's already ready for you just to plug in your information and go. You don't have to do anything, but if you want to be a little creative, you have the capability to do that in the Conversion Pros, which I do quite a bit. Okay, but if you just want to plug in, get something going, and then later on figure out, which we have video tutorials for everything, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure this out. It's very simple. If you can press play and listen to a video and watch the video tutorial explain to you how to create your pages, you're good to go. Okay, but to just get started, plug into these pre-built pages. Okay, they're ready for whatever niche you're in. Okay, just plug in and go. Okay, but what I want to show you in reference to that is it's the holiday season now. Everybody's getting in that mode. You got Thanksgiving, you got Black Friday coming. Everybody's excited about that. Then we got Christmas. So big holiday season has started. Okay, so what I do, what I've been doing since I started with the Conversion Pros, sometimes when I send ads out, certain ads, now that I'm doing the texting myself, I'll be texting you guys, okay? If you're not in the Conversion Pros, you want to get in, okay? You want to get in today and plug into all these share codes, okay, to build your pages, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few of those pages here. Hang on one second, and I'm going to show you just a few. And then a system that I'm using that has these Christmas holiday theme pages as well. And these really resonate with people. When you're sending out even a postcard, okay, you have your domain, go to one of these Christmas pages. People resonate with that. When you send your text message out with my SMS phone leads, you send them to a capture page that's talking about Christmas and need some extra money for Christmas, because that's where people's minds are right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few of those pages. Hang on one second. Okay, here's one. Okay, again, this is from the Conversion Pros, guys, and look at the verbiage here. Okay, very simple, but it resonates with people. They're in the holiday spirit. They're looking online to make some money as well, so this will resonate with someone. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, let's move my picture. Let's move this over. Okay, here's another one. Need money to buy presents this year. Okay, and it's generic. It can fit with whatever your business is. Doesn't matter. And if you want to change it, you just go in the back office and edit it to fit what your business model is. Okay, but the point of the matter is, this is pretty generic. You can use it with anything you're doing as far as making money in the home-based business niche. Okay, so let's find another one. Okay, here's another one. So I just want to show you guys the Conversion Pros has all these. I mean, I didn't go through all of them. There's lots more. I just wanted to highlight what you have here at your fingertips. If you're already in the Conversion Pros, log in, start using these theme pages for the holidays, okay, to use to pull in your prospects and your leads. Okay, this will get you more leads, which will eventually convert to sales, okay, because people are in the mind frame of Christmas and cash. Okay, now I'm going to show you another system, the Vertex lead system. Okay, if you're an easy one up and you're not in the Vertex lead system, you want to get that system. Okay, the Vertex system, guys, this system actually is designed for easy one up. If you're an easy one up and you do not have the Vertex lead system, this is a system you definitely want to get. It's $97 one time. Okay, no monthly fees. And if you want to become a reseller of the program, you spend an extra $50. Okay, and that way, whenever someone purchases the Vertex lead system from you, you make $50. Okay, so out of the $97, if you become a reseller, $50 comes to you and $47 goes to the company. Okay, so that's what I highly recommend you do if you get the Vertex lead system. Not just be a customer, but be a reseller. Okay, so become a reseller. These pages are only available as a reseller. Okay, there may be one page that they have over in the capture page area, but they give these exclusive pages to resellers. Okay, so Vertex lead system, I'm using this as well. Let me show you a few of their pages as well. Okay, let's see. Here is, okay, this is one I'm using when I send a text message out. Okay, I send them to this page. Okay, so this is a great page to use for your text messaging. If you're in the SMS phone leads with me, I'm using this page through SMS phone leads. Okay, but let me show you a few more. And these are great for the holiday. Okay, when you're promoting your make money online businesses. But again, this is for easy one up. Okay, you need to at least be an easy one up over here, because if you promote these pages and they opt in, it will also show the easy one up presentation. And if you're not in it, you know, those sales will go up. Okay, so I highly recommend. You can come in anywhere from $25 to you know, up to $2,000 with this program. Okay, but it promotes the texting and it promotes easy one. Promote your easy one up in your SMS phone lead system. Okay, see, okay, great pages, guys. Just going to show you. Here's another one, perfect for Black Friday that's coming up. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so Vertex lead system, you can get these pages, but I highly recommend you come in with Easy One Up with me in this and the SMS because that's what it's going to promote. And then you have the Conversion Pros, which I just showed you. So I'm going to put the link below for both of those programs and my Easy One Up link. Okay, and this is one I'm going to use. I'm using right now for Easy Profit 100, the direct mail program that I have. Okay, that page should come up here in a second. I want to show you that as well. Okay, we have Christmas cash waiting for you. 7-year proven system. It's raining $100 bills. So that's a page I'm going to be using for, that's just a dummy email that I put in there. So that's a page that I'm using, guys. You definitely look at these pages because they're going to be great for you, okay, while you're marketing your business. Okay, so definitely check these out. I'll put the link below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified. Okay, when I upload new videos, you'll get that information, as well as sometimes I make an announcement of something that I'm going to be doing or I'm sharing, and if you didn't see the video, you won't get the information. So it will be great for you to click the notification bell, because a person notified me on Saturday. He had seen my video, okay, and I didn't have this anywhere else, and he noticed the video, and he was able to get this special bonus that I have. Okay, so make sure you click the notification bell and subscribe. All right, so I'm gonna put the link below for both of these systems, Vertex lead system and the Conversion Pros. Okay, if you have any questions about them, please feel free to give me a call, but go ahead and go through the funnel, check out the information. If you're looking for a way to make money online, I've got some great opportunities. Okay, so I'll put the link below for those, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.